Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's a new video. How to online teach and make money. How to teach online classes and earn money from home 2021. What's the best new career paths and make money teaching online. People who take online courses not only have freedom to work from whether they are but I can also granted health income will strong. So thanks for example about the last time question according to your likely put Google and found information to help answer your question. These search take place in millions of times each day. Something that there freely available information online does still and customer lust lost of knowledge. That's who people who take online courses have become such value constant to online e-commerce. Teaching online class allow you can share your knowledge about subject that interests and aspects whether you must can achieve personal strength, but something easy. History you have well skill that you can share with world best all people you are willing to pay for knowledge that's instead hard. Let's go target how to teach online classes and earn money right from the easy comfortable your home. Pay to teach online once I've detect I went to teach online earn money the first step choosing the right method. You can choose and several ways dependent on subject matter compatible with online teaching technology excuse and the subject you are aim to teach and consider the most effective ways students to receive information. Ask question like how did learn this knowledge to skill where their written matters that are called point out. Did you watch video that happened guide you? And the most improvement did this type of technique teaching benefit you don't think there are better ways learn. Also think about your grade target or teaching tense and your instant learn visa learn our teaching others adjust many have female new technologies constant that you can implement the hybrid approach to your online lesson. Perfect your created YouTube channel and offer links additional matter with a PDF workbook or maybe you create honor online course completed cues informate whether the guide make source that choosing medium approve your student who went to learn online next figures out how to went to deliver your course. The words from instruct some professional seal course from the owner website which give your availability to you customize and control The student experience just make have the technical know how to monitor and optimization your site, or maybe your partner with in online course marketplace that's we don't do most the heavy lifting for hosting the course goes an online thing. You don't have access to marketing tools to control our your constant life their marketplace you very profit and better you're selling out and all in one platform. That's let you're hosting your online course will market promote kajabi from interest list your push your online course live. We also allow you step sales financial send out marketing email host your website create a blog create dripping stats crm analyze site you don't have visit multiple websites launch service tools. All these takes sense create an online course can reception time invest you don't went visit minutes learn how to code instead step account a few medium that already exist you can ground running with first course benefit of teaching online if you love ideas setting your owner house dependent your owner product make money teaching internship professional make mistake win learn how to take online classes and learn money become an instant your guides how much your charges for your courses what you matter your increase release your matter with the freedom comes opening to learn money your make speed weeks and our months building a sold online course but can selling our again without having performing and more work other responding to your customer and help them target metrics plus you can let creative runs with online learn have grow trad state repeating information these are not just looking answer problem with creating they are also looking from studying approve the material incorporate your unique professionally background experience and approach the online learn course you are made suspension quick depend online follow our course the benefit of online course classes are limited just honor experience very attach online course you are also deliver temporary value your customer and internship you are creating a product that your customer use their owner advised some education made directly fund work and new industry try a new craft building something with the hand other called use course matter information directory lifestyle the possible are instead which online class have become popular almost regular people just wants have their knowledge bank how too much can make money online your income partner limit online buy your image some people thousand of dollars per month target online course other use the course generation site income audience these their day jobs several factors sold go to information packaging especially is course that teaching very effective excuse you are trusted experts on topic perfect management how too much speed trading creation Is online teaching perfectly? Yes, you can make money teaching online. You can perfect the best part of online course that's as digital product that doesn't have be reminded you different people. Subscribe my channel, like video, press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for watching.